Hi everyone. The Softail Breakout already comes with an enormous portion of coolness and perfect technique. Of all Softails, the Breakout has the longest wheelbase, the widest rear wheel and the largest front wheel. Best conditions for a special custom bike like this one. It is a complete success, as you can see in our video. Elegant and noble, flat and dark, evil and fast. Like a Panther. Exactly that is the appearance of this black Breakout. A smooth line characterizes this conversion, which we realized with our parts on customer request. Motto: everything in black. And what was not black yet, was powder coated or exchanged for black covers. This applies right down to the last corner. Here it is the fork end cap at the top of the triple clamp. So the Softail Breakout, which is already a blast from factory, became a real Thunderbike. Here we tell you about our work steps and which parts were used. A simple kit provides for the lowering of the fork, which has been given black covers and bellows for optical reasons. Handlebars and fittings remained original, grips and mirrors are from our production as well as the headlamp cap. With our TB Air ride, the Breakout can also get down very deep. With a push on the button under the left side of the tank, the system pumps the rear up in a few seconds and lets it down again. Thanks to our air ride, our rear fender with the integrated lighting units is, when stationary, is very close above the fat 260 tire that we gave the bike. The license plate sits on the left side and on the right side thunders the exhaust by Dr. Jekill and Mr. Hyde. With this system the Breakout gets the right sound. Furthermore, this system with the two pipes can also be seen as a stylistic element here. Our seat shell is a relatively small piece, which fits perfectly into the gap between tank and rear. Due to the slim upholstery and the cover with the diamond pattern, the seat forms a nice optical transition. Towards the front it is our stretched custom aluminum tank that continues the line and is probably one of the most beautiful and stylish elements of this Breakout. Thanks for watching.